This is probably gonna rip through high a day. Oh, I'm a little nervous. Try to be careful. So let's get it. Let's stay focused. Follow your rules. No FOMO. Hmm. Failed. Wow. Already lost 200 bucks on it. Just with small size. Oh, I took a big loss there. 500 bucks. Down on Weeza, 500 bucks. Not as strong of an open as I thought it was. Wow. We did not get that strong of an open. Shoot. That's another 100 bucks. Hmm. I think I made 7,000 yesterday. Right. I'm looking at all our options. All our options have just gone straight down. There we go. This one looks like it's about to take off. But able to make some money on it. Man. Well, Weeza I lost 100 bucks on. Right. Halt level here at Fine VO. Weeza was a bit of a disappointment. Weeza just went straight down. So halted, resumption price showing 250. We got 52 likes already. Not yet, Dominic. Let's go to daily on this. Oh yeah, we do have a level here. 3. 265 resumption showing. Yeah, I always preach to avoid holding into halts and or trading halt resumptions. If you do trade halt resumptions, you got to just be very careful. And the reality is, if you trade halt resumptions, you may have a lot of big wins, but eventually you're gonna have some pretty big losses. They happen pretty quick. Ah, got some time. Maybe we can go mess around with the weed. That looks good. Ah, I could have taken more profit. Yeah, making back a little bit. Made back a little bit on bottoming tail. I don't know if I want their halt resumption on. Afraid that might turn into a bad. I'd hate to be the guy to miss out on it. Good to hear, Oscar. Good to hear. That puts a smile on my face. About how about 1 minute resumption to resumption? Looks like 260 is the resump price, so about 10 cents higher. Now it's showing flat resumption. Yeah, I'll go for the halt resumption. I'll go down to 22. Wow. That was not a strong resumption. Lost $200 on that. Really? Here it starts. Oh my gosh. I gotta be careful. I lost way too much money. Oh, I lost way too much money on that resumption. Mm. Mm. Wow, it's just a bit shaky. Mm. Mm. Just a bit shaky, honestly. It's not the most strongest thing in the I mean, it's strong, but it's like this pullback was this is the first pullback and it's like struggling. Possible flush. Ah, shoot, I missed it. I gotta cut that for a loss. Oh, I bought late. I hesitated. Stupid. That is way too shaky. Holy crap. Holy crap. This came up pretty quick from 60 to 73, but I don't know. Like a flush risk to me. Feels like a flush risk to me. Take a look at this. Had some nice bottoms. This one failed, believe it or not. Oh, I have to cut it. I stupidly did not lock in that profit. Wow. Wow. I should have way more money right now. I can tell you that right now. I believe I had an i7. Ah. I don't want to take so many orders. I'm trying to just not get chopped up so much. Ah. Wow. Better not rush it. Ah, I gotta cut loss. Hmm. Not doing so well. Struggling on this one. My sister right now is not trading, but she says May 10th she's coming back. That's when she graduates college. Yeah, May 10th, which ironically corresponds with Charles Schwab. Mm. Dang, this one did take off, but then look at that. I'm not gonna trade. I don't know. Hard to trust that. That's an ugly look right there. Hmm. Brutal. Ugh. And so this one, this one's a little tricky. PLCE. Hmm. Hmm. I don't know about this one. Hmm. That's all I got. 144 bucks. That I don't like how that bid just dropped. You know, like that. Ah, I should have taken my profit. Oh my god, that's very frustrating. The bid and ask on this one are not the best. Oh, look at that. Lost most of my money on this thing. I'm not that impressed with it. I missed this one. Ah, shoot. I gotta cut that. And the Rockets. How you doing? I wasn't that impressed with PLCE. Will it go parabolic? It might. Giving me bad vibes. Getting bad vibes from that one. So we're trying to go for a bottom bounce. We don't get it. We don't get it. It's got to look good. This has got to look good. Oh. It tried to reverse there and it didn't. See if it flushes. Ah, I got smoked. Got smoked, baby. Is this really the day it doesn't work? Really? I'm slowly but surely getting triggered. I thought we'd get a bounce. Probably $800 trying to take that trade. Unfortunately. Hmm. Heating back up here. I had to cut that. Had to cut that. Had to cut that. A little bit of a tricky day. No, Heaven D is not my brother. Yeah, well, actually, no, maybe he is my brother. Not by blood. Oh, was that annoying? Sorry. Edible? There's so many tickers I can't even keep track of them all. Why didn't you say something earlier, bro? Had this one pull off my screen. I didn't think it was going to be any good. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That's incredible. High NVO very thickly traded. Dennis, I would agree. I don't know why the 390 rule is for options. For some reason, TD Ameritrade had historically enforced it on everybody, maybe by mistake. Had to get out of there. Probably a mistake. It's probably going to go right here. It's just being hammered by sellers. I mean, holy crap. This one we got to be careful. Oh, there it did pop, but then drop. This one did work as I thought. The kind of trade that I wish I could have held. Sucks. I had pretty much the right time. Or depends on how you look at it, but that sucks. I was focused on risk though. I was in with the big position. It wasn't going. I can't. Not hold that. This one is a little too extended. I would not do a halt resumption trade on that. Daily has room up to 12, 11. Look at the alt price 995. Flat resumption. I'll go 450. Still got a minute to it. Maybe I should just join $10 resumption. Yeah, I'll stick around for this resumption. I'm not gonna take a lot of risk on it. Sure enough, it was a waste of time. That those spreads are way too nutty. I got duped on that one. Mm, I got duped. Coming back to this one. Oh, that one's halted again. Trying to see, are we gonna get some support? Some that was weird. That was this thing is weak. Good morning, AJ. I used to trade at school too once 1 day a week. It was never a good never a good thing. Yeah, we got 81 likes, guys, and I haven't really been asking you guys, so that is great. Thank you. It's kind of like your payment for the stream. Oh, you stupid. Mm, Getting some resistance up here now. We gotta be careful. Trying to stick to the stocks that are the most predictable and quite frankly, PLC is that predictable or edible. Where's edible? Why would I trade edible when I got INVO? It doesn't just fly all over the place. Oh, I guess kind of. Is it really gonna go here? Possible Weeza moment on this one. See if I can hold it long enough. I want to see if we get a Weeza. I want to see if we get a Weeza on this. We might. We might get a Visa. That means teleportation to a high day. That means the big boys that shorted this are about to get stopped out in a big way. Hope. Uh-oh, selling pressure. I'm gonna cut. I'm just gonna take the profit there. Yeah, I probably should have held. Rip here, I bet. Come on, give me a Visa. Give me a Visa. They're trying to short it. Trying to short the crap out of it. I thought we would get a Visa. We got like a micro Visa so far. Good freaking morning. Jimmy Seville. Let's look at crypto. Crypto hasn't been doing so good lately. Yikes. Oof. Bad time to add more crypto. Want to say that shorts will get pinched on this. Had to cut it. Failed. Turning into more of an extended pullback here. Dang it. Did not turn into a rip. A lot of shares just went through there. I'm guessing is why it lagged. I did not expect that to fail. I thought we'd continue higher, but that 5-minute chart, I think, is what's driving the price. Dang it. I'm an idiot. That should not. Watch this pile of crap, which I should have like 10 grand on, but I don't. Big seller popped up there. True. Huh. Ooh. Yeah, you gotta be careful in this career. That's for sure. This is one of the rare occasions where I'm boom, baby. Hey, Hatif, if you're on Discord, private message me. Um, might need it. We should maybe set up a one-on-one. I haven't been doing as many classes. I've been doing more one-on-one. So if you're a member on Teachable, are you? I think you are. This bounced up. Crypto's just down the drain, bro. I knew it. I knew it would too. Oh, Discord. Oh my gosh. Hold on, Squid. What the heck? Come on. That's a nice rip. 230 to 250, 20 cents. Frick. 5 minute looks really good. Frick. Hmm. Well, if you're messaging me in Discord, let me know it's Squid. Or no. Yeah, Squid. Okay, what is this thing gonna do? Holy crap. What is this thing? I'm guessing you want access, the member access in Discord. Seventh, 7.1, yes. Visa, sure. Not as quite as strong as action as I thought there was gonna be. I wanna look at the resumption price of edible. 10. The resumption price of 10 from where it is now. Anybody stuck in the halt? 10-10 now. I came up. Oh my god. A little extended now. Weeza? No, it just did a Weeza. Just did itself a good old wheeze. Pull back here. Thing's starting to teleport. Yeah, let's plan to do a class soon. I'm trying to see if I want to do it today. Yeah, we better not do it today because I'm not prepared. Yeah, it's getting resistance. Ah, shoot. In the hell. FOMO'd in. I keep thinking it's going to pull a Weeza and just rip. It hasn't doesn't quite have the gas that Weeza did. Similar kind of action, sell off and then grind up, kind of against odds. Best day of the month for Dan. E-sign daily goal KW $30. 7 1200. Dip to 270, back up to 284. I could have caught that. That could have been another $300. Come on, baby girl. The old scallywagger. What does a scallywag mean? Does anybody know what scallywag means? Come on. Hey. Gonna happen. Kind of a failed 1 minute pullback. Um, just getting a little chop choppy. Wow. The stock market's such a crazy thing. It's just what has my life turned into? This is insane. Trading these random stocks. Breakthrough high day would be the target. I don't know if I'd be able to time it. Ah, you that was held. Break of 3 target. Have to cut that. That just started to bleed. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Wow, with a massive flush to accompany it. Hey, well then I'm a scallywag. How many of you guys are scallywags? I'm gonna size down a bit. Just proprietary knowledge of 50/50. I'm sizing down on the breakout. And too much resistance. Is this thing dead? International, what country are you in? Yo, it's scallywagger. Mike, you better not be doing anything stupid. Ah, that was too harsh. I'm sorry, Mike. We just want the best for you. Bump, 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 bump. Yeah. Blair's killing it. Mike, Mike's doing a lot better than he used to, and I think he needs to keep that in mind. Even though he's had kind of a red streak, that's normal. That's fine. He hasn't lost any significant amount of money. He's still in the game. He's still in the race. I think he just slight adjustments, consistency every day. Keep the emotions at bay. I'm too slow to get to my. Oh, oh. See if we get the break of 328. I had to cut that. Break even trade. What? You scallywagger. Ah, really? This thing is getting increasingly more choppy by the second. Good to hear, Blair. That's the power of trading Farmer Plus. Looks like it might snap. I'll go small. Looks like I caught the. Mm-mm. It's getting increasingly choppy. I'm becoming increasingly more cautious on this. That kind of stuff where it's like that should have broke right there, didn't drop. Now it's coming back up, and we can get in and it's up again. That see, like get back like. Fortunately, we have $560 loss in Visa, which drags on the profits a little bit. We're still up good. It adds nicely to the 7,000 yesterday. Some people like secondary sources, so they can watch other people's streams. Good to hear. Good to hear. Little bit of a backside esque vibe going on. This thing could The old scallywagger. All right, let's make some more money, guys. Or potentially lose. It feels like this is officially kind of the time that I would recommend the beginners leave. It's like the country bar where at 10 o'clock everybody under 21 has to leave. This is that moment in time where I would say, beginners, your time is done. Okay, it's time for the grown-ups to continue trading. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. But also kind of not. It fell apart. Ah, back up. This thing likes to fluctuate quite a lot. Have you guys been sharing this channel with your friends? Hopefully. Edible is nuts. What was the deal with Edible? Why wasn't I trading Edible? I think the spreads were too big. Or it was too extended. Yeah, that's what it was. Ah, stupid stock. Go over to Discord. Blair's typing. Alejandro's typing. I'd like to get an update on Mike soon. Frank, how are you doing? Rob? Rob, we need you chatting in the Discord more. We need some of that old man wisdom in our Discord. Rob's not old. I was kidding. Older than me. Anything older than me is old. Golly, it's still grinding. Sana needs to get in the Discord. Twin needs to be in the Twin. Actually, Twin is in the Discord quite often. Sumo, I do it because in my settings, if you go up to setup order defaults, I put in maximum quantity 36. So even if I click 10,000, it's going to pin me at my limit, which is 36. It's not really a complex thing. You just got to get in that settings and change that setting. Use. I caught like the micro breakout. Wow. To think I had the 5,000 shares at 310. I was so busy flirting with you guys that I missed this break. I mean, I did get the tail end of it. Didn't see the big rip. Wonder if we're going to see a big rip or a flush. There we go. That is a big day. So we'll celebrate Blair today, and then hopefully we have more people to celebrate tomorrow. everybody's on their own journey. Everybody's at a different pace. Everybody has their own sets of talents and skills. And so that's why you can't compare yourself to other traders. Uh, Easier said than done. But and it's a little bit of a, what would you call it, dichotomy or paradox. As comparing yourself to others and looking at other traders can help you get better. Is this gonna grind up again? Just why? Why? So let's hit the like button for Blair and for me, mostly Blair. So just know that I'm not asking for the likes. It's for Blair to see. Twin. Yeah, you are everywhere. I don't want to share twin. I don't want to share. I don't want to share you. So I tell my girlfriend, I want loyalty. Wow, we only got 3 likes for Blair. I'm sorry, Blair. I tried. There's more people than that are right here. Okay, a little bit of a bottoming tail here, boys. A little dangerous. Yeah, rush of red drops. Finger off the kill switch there. I don't know. It seems like the trading dad is doing pretty good. Green day after green day after green day. We got to get him into Discord. I don't know if he'll be able to figure it out, but get him in Discord. He can be like a mentor. He'll really mentor to the older guys. Talking about you, Frank, Rob, and you guys have a heck of a lot more wisdom than I do. Let's just say that. That's a nice way of saying it. Rob has a heck of a lot more wisdom. I do. Mike has a lot more wisdom. Even Blair does. I think Blair's like 10 years older than me. I'm totally just sitting here yapping and making these trades. Blair's like the guy who's close enough to my age that if we were in high school together, he'd probably have been bullying me as an underclassman. A nice little pivot here off of 3 up to 320. That's, if you nailed that in the right areas, that's good money. You know, good money. So 50-50 net worth over 100K. That's actually pretty good. I didn't think be that split. This thing is a grind. And pop. And pop. There it is. I unfortunately missed this run. But there is still money to be made on this one. False breakout, top and tail, selling pressure. Nice little dub pattern here. Dub dub. I do consider that a dub dub pattern. There's a dub dub pattern. This is this here area here is not as much of a dub dub. Hmm. See if we get another grind. Maybe by chance it grind. Uh, I knew I had to cut that. Eh. Uh, 1, 2, 3, 4 pattern. What? This thing's getting super unpredictable. Oh, somebody lost their dog. That's good. No Apple Watch heart rate monitor alert today. Look at my current heart rate. 105 a minute ago. I think. Oh wow. I think yesterday was a little bit more intense with having been red 1700 and then climbing to green 7,000. There's some and Weeza was short squeezing, so it was price action was a little bit wild. Uh oh. I don't. I think there's gonna be a bounce still to be had on this after this dump. I think there's gonna be a rebound trade. Apparently not a rebound trade there. That was probably a little bit too much side. I shouldn't take that much. This is backside recovery mode. Gotta be careful. Wait until we see a little bit more of support. Already gave back, but not too bad, but a little more than I would like. Yeah, 115 likes, guys. Thank you. I'll take that. Yeah, the thing is this thing grinds and I was like, I could have held here an extra 250 bucks. Part of me wishes I would have because there you go, 290, 93. I think we could get up to 7,000 today. I think. Yeah, well, if you sign up for Trading Farmer Plus on tradingfarmer.com, use the 30% off coupon. We'll wait for another trade on this. I don't think this thing is done. You know, it's I know I can make more money on this. I do it all the time when I'm red. And when I'm green, I always shut down